Ever wondered how a simple cabbage transforms into a flavorful, tangy, and nutritious powerhouse known as sauerkraut? This incredible transformation has been captivating taste buds and nourishing bodies for centuries. Originating from China around 2,000 years ago, sauerkraut made its way to Europe, where it was embraced with open arms, particularly in Germany, hence the German name, which literally translates to sour cabbage. But sauerkraut is more than just a zesty condiment. It's a nutritional dynamo packed with vitamins C and K and a great source of fiber. The magic of sauerkraut lies in its fermentation process, which fosters the growth of probiotics. These friendly bacteria are champions for our gut health, helping improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even aid in weight loss. Sauerkraut's tangy crunch not only elevates meals, but also our well-being. Now that you know why sauerkraut is a superstar, wouldn't you want to know how to make it at home? Making sauerkraut is quite simple. All you need is cabbage, salt, and a bit of patience. Let's dive into the process, shall we? First things first, you will need to select the right cabbage. A fresh, firm-headed cabbage is ideal. Green or red, it doesn't matter, but do avoid ones with blemishes or wilted leaves. Next, you're going to want to chop your cabbage. Quarter it first, then remove the core and slice it into thin ribbons. The thinner the better, as this will help to draw out the juices. Now comes the salting part. Sprinkle your shredded cabbage with a good handful of salt. You're aiming for a concentration of about 2%. This might sound all scientific, but don't worry. It's roughly a tablespoon of salt for every 2 pounds of cabbage. Once your cabbage is salted, it's time for a bit of a workout. You're going to massage that cabbage. Squeeze it, scrunch it, show it some love. As you do this, you'll notice the cabbage releasing its juice, creating a brine. This brine is crucial. As you pack your cabbage into a jar, you need to make sure it's fully submerged in this brine. This is where the magic happens. The fermentation process begins, transforming the humble cabbage into tangy, crunchy sauerkraut. Keep your jar at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, and wait. Patience is key here. It could take anywhere from 1 to 6 weeks, depending on your taste preference. And voila! After a few weeks, your homemade sauerkraut is ready to jazz up your meals. So that's the secret behind the humble sauerkraut. From its rich probiotic content to its impressive vitamin C levels, it's a powerhouse of health benefits disguised as a simple side dish. And as we've seen, making it at home is a breeze. The next time you enjoy a serving of sauerkraut, remember, it's not just a tangy treat, it's a health-boosting homemade wonder.